Hello and welcome back to my channel, Simply Queen by Sherell. That's me, the modern day seamstress. So this was my scene on Friday, January the 19th. We got tons of snow. So I decided that I would make something fabulous with this wool fabric that I purchased years ago. It is 8 o'clock sharp, well actually 8:04, and I am on my way to the gym. So then I decided to stop by Joann's on my way home and look through the new Vogue catalog and a couple of the other catalogs and put together a future makes wish list for 2024. There were so many, but I did narrow it down to these beautiful choices here. After the coat was complete, I decided that I really needed a hat to complete the look. So I made me a hat.